In the distant past, around 10,000 BCE, the world was a vastly different place. The Earth was still recovering from the last ice age, and humans were nomadic hunter-gatherers, roaming the land in search of food. However, a revolutionary change was on the horizon, one that would forever alter the course of human history. This was the dawn of agriculture, the Neolithic Revolution. In the fertile valleys of the Middle East, near the Tigris and Euphrates rivers, a group of early humans, known as the Natufians, began to make a significant change. They started to settle down in one place, building permanent homes and cultivating the land. This shift from nomadic life to settled agriculture marked the beginning of the Neolithic Age. The reasons for this transition were many. The end of the Ice Age brought warmer climates, allowing for a wider variety of plants to grow. The Natufians, with their advanced stone tools, were able to harness this new abundance. They began to plant seeds, tend crops, and domesticate animals, such as sheep and goats. This change was not without its challenges. The sedentary lifestyle required a new set of skills, such as irrigation and farming techniques. The Natufians had to learn to work together, coordinating their efforts to ensure the survival of their community. The consequences of this shift were profound. Agriculture provided a more reliable source of food, allowing human populations to grow. Villages became towns, and towns became cities. The surplus of food led to the emergence of specialized roles, such as potters, weavers, and metalworkers. The Neolithic Revolution was a turning point in human history. It marked the beginning of a new era, one in which humans could settle in one place, build communities, and create complex societies. This revolution laid the foundation for the rise of civilization, paving the way for the great empires and cities that would follow. The legacy of the Neolithic Age can still be seen today. The crops and animals domesticated during this time form the basis of our modern agriculture. The skills and technologies developed during this period have been passed down through generations, shaping the way we live today. The Neolithic Revolution was a testament to human ingenuity and adaptability. It demonstrates our ability to adapt to changing circumstances, to innovate, and to build a better future. As we look back on this remarkable period in human history, we are reminded of our potential to shape our world and to leave a lasting legacy.